The Infosec Institute enabled me to complete my training as a CCP and a CCA in a timely fashion while working full-time.
When I first knew that I wanted to take the Security Plus certification, I looked up a bunch of information online and felt completely overwhelmed. But after taking the Infosec Institute Boot Camp, I felt so prepared. It truly did feel like kind of a cheat sheet for the exam in a way, and I have never taken anything like it before.
I already knew a lot of practice, but the training and the certification process filled in a bunch of gaps for me. And I found the boot camp an extremely good way to get over those last minute jitters.
The hands-on training was the best part of it because you could actually reach out to and ask questions, not only on the material, but also about things out in the wild with cybersecurity.
Being immersed in it with a group of other people, tangling with hard questions and learning why they're wrong and getting better as you go and coming out really confident that it's like, okay, I got this.
I chose the Infosec Institute for my boot camp because of the great relationship that they've chosen to develop with certified instructors who actually know how to support the defense industrial base. And that makes a huge difference.
The instructor for the CISM boot camp, absolutely phenomenal. She's very well renowned in her field, and just the perspectives that she provided and how to approach not only the exam, but also just day-to-day activities that really helped me change some of my mindset.
The Infosec Institute offers the exam pass guarantee. The first time I took the exam, I was only a few points shy of being able to pass. And so with the exam pass guarantee, I was able to go back, ace my exam, and complete my Security Plus.
To me, there was a lot of confidence building during the boot camp. Getting ready for the exam, getting through the exam, and then having a source of CE credits afterwards were very valuable for me.
The ethical hacking boot camp has been so transformative for me, not just as an engineer, but also as a person. I experienced real personal growth, professional growth. I got to interview for my dream job. I did all this on my own, and that's really what feels best.
The Infosec Institute Boot Camp changed my life because after about a month of having my Security Plus certification, I was offered a role in government contracting as a service desk specialist, and I was told that I was hired because of my Security Plus certification.
Infosec, they just made it super easy. I've done trainings in the past with other vendors, and they can definitely learn a thing or two from Infosec.